But let's address some earnings then. Just Dial, Ramkumar Krishnachari, CFO of Just Dial, now joins in with his numbers. Ramkumar, hi, good morning. Now, we've seen some momentum in internet searches, but is that going to continue, and will FY15 revenue growth be better than FY14?
We believe the current trend that we are seeing based on the Q4 results, our belief and conviction is that we will be able to meet or slightly grow on the growth number as far as the revenue is concerned.
Okay, I just wanted to focus on the marketing expenditure, because you had spoken earlier of 60 to 90 crores of marketing expense in FY15 then, and a chunk of it will possibly be a one-time cost. Has the number increased? Which quarter will that also be in?
So we are reviewing that number at this point of time. Yes, there will be a one-time spend associated with the Search Plus, because we haven't gone to the users yet, publicizing or popularizing the Search Plus among the wider user community. So there will be a one-time ad spend. The exact quantum of it, we will be able to have some color maybe in Q1. We should be able to throw some light. Definitely there will be some spend in starting Q2 or maybe late Q1. The entire quantum for the year we should be able to communicate in the Q1.
Okay, Ramkumar, your stock has been very volatile because of one reason, about the one-year lock-in period for the private equity investors. When is that ending? Will it be around the time of the IPO hitting the market, which is around 22nd May, or when shares got listed, say 5th June? So when is this lock-in period ending?
Yeah, it ends 31st May. Lock-in ends 31st May.
Okay, well, the lock-in ends 31st May, but I'm going to concentrate on the margin picture still. Ramkumar, just give us a sense of what margins are going to look like in Q1 for Just Dial.
I can't specifically comment on Q1 margin at this point of time. Overall, I can say that FY14-15, as we have seen, the operating leverage continues to contribute to the margin expansion, and that's inherent in the business model, with more and more searches coming onto the internet platform, especially the mobile platform. So our belief and conviction, on a normalized basis, the margin should continue to expand year on year, excluding the one-time spend.
Okay, then Ramkumar, thanks very much for joining in. So those are the earnings that were displayed by Just Dial this quarter. It was a good set of numbers. It was in line with estimates. Revenue up 26%. We had margins which expanded 200 basis points to 30% versus 28% year on year. And the profit jumped 60% as well. And remember that the poll or the estimates that we were working with was a growth of around 44%. The lock-in period, which is important in terms of the amount of shares that could actually hit the market for PE players, ends on May 31st. So it will be important to watch how Just Dial performs even post May 31st. Currently, the stock is up around 2%, but still down significantly in the past couple of weeks. We'll take a break, but on the other side, we will shift our focus to a buzzing stock in today's trading session, BHEL. What's keeping that counter up and alive?